Hey guys! So sorry I haven't made videos in a while. I think I told you guys before, school is really got in the way. And I'm really busy, so I'm gonna try to make videos as often as I can. Alright? So let's get started. Alright, so I am going to be making a moist supreme devil's food cake. And the guy right there, Pillsbury. Alright, got my bowl. Ow, my nail. I'm just joking. I'm gonna stick that right there because I'm gonna need that. Alright, hold on. I gotta open this. Alright, I got it open. Pour all up in there. Alright, pour that in. Now I'm gonna put my 3 eggs in. Ew, they feel weird. My other eggs. That was like a perfect crack, like right in the middle. Alright, so I put my eggs in. So now I gotta put a cup of water. Alright, here is my water. Got my cup of water. Alright. I got the canola oil. Yeah. Put that in. I think that's all I need. 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of oil, 3 eggs, and now I may mix with my spoon. This looks really watery. Alright, so I just gotta mix this all up because it's all nasty looking. Alright, yeah. I finished mixing it up, and it tastes delicious. Don't judge the way for this. Wait, oh shoot. Holding it with my right hand, putting it in my left with my left hand. This is not the right way to do it. Wait, I gotta. It's the key of the nation. Oh dang. All right. Grandma, do you want me to put it on the bottom one or the top one? Grandma? Which one should I put it on? Wait. Where'd my grandma go? Which one should I put it on? Bottom or top? Bottom or top? Hello? Alright. Somebody said put that one.
Okay. Put it on top. Well, give me the.
I did smooth it out. I didn't realize it was like lopsided. Lopsided. Now, since I finished the mixing and putting it in the pan. Now I just gotta wait for it to cook. And once it's done cooking, I I get to frost it with frosting. We'll do frosting. Classic white. But I'm gonna lick this. Because it tastes good. Alright. So I guess I'll see you guys after the cake's done. Alright, so it's done. It doesn't look so good as I wanted it to become, but that's okay. The only reason it looks like this is because I did not level it out. So this side is taller than this side. Look at it. It's like you guys are ouch! Still he touched that. Owie, that hurt my finger. Oh, my fingers are gross. Oh, look, that's my swollen one. I was playing football and like 2 or 3 days ago, and then it got swollen. And same with my ankle. It's also swollen. Right on that side right there. So I went to the doctor's today, and I got I have to wait for 3 weeks. And I shouldn't be walking without it. They say I have to walk with it on. And I'm not walking with it on right now because I don't know. Well, I should, but not. But yeah. And this is my beautiful phone. Let's see. Where is that? I can't see. Right here is my phone. Oh, let's see. This is a tour of my phone. Not really a tour. Just going onto my Snapchat. If I turn it around, they see my iPad. Alright, let's see. From my friend Alexis. Got this for my mom. Oh, Alexis, shout out to you for giving your mom an early birthday present and a late Valentine's present. That is so sweet, Alexis. That is so sweet. And then that one's something else. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, I'll see you later. Alright. So it is done cooling. Not frosted. And I'm gonna frost it. It's new. Smells like heaven. Look at it. Oh, I'm scared. Ah! Oh my gosh! Aww. Maybe it wasn't done. Grandma, I don't think it was done cooling. Grandma! Come here, please. What's all doing?
Get a knife then. Get a butter knife. Can you do it lightly? Very lightly. Do it very lightly. Yeah, I know, lightly. Just do it lightly.
My day.
See, just do it lightly.
We've known each other for a long time now, right? I've taken you to Disneyland. I kicked a bowling in the nuts.
I haven't heard this song forever. Listen.
I've seen you
It's already almost gone? I was gonna eat that.
Okay, just finish it. Just do it lightly.
Too sugary.
Just do it. Is this too much sugar? I can't taste it. I gotta put my finger to it. Just very do it lightly.
Ouch! That hurt. Hey! $17.38. Hey. Grandma, when are you gonna prick your finger? When are you gonna prick your finger? Well, looks okay. That is so sugary. Like, now it's all gone. greatest, but it looks pretty good. Nice. So that's my pick. And yeah. Thanks for watching.